Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about E2 visa for influencers coming up. Alright guys, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and let's do it. In this video, I want to focus on E2 visa for influencers. I love this topic. Why? Because you probably don't know that I love E2 visa. I was on E2 visa myself. I helped hundreds of other people to get E2 visa. If you're an influencer and if you're wondering what's the best visa for you, I say E2 visa. Now, if you're wondering if you can actually get a green card if you're an influencer, I say yes, absolutely. Check out this video that I made recently, because in that video I am diving deeper and I'm giving you examples how you can get your green card if you are influencer. In this video, we are talking about E2 visa for influencers. Investor visa for influencer. Now, don't be fooled by the name. Investor visa doesn't necessarily mean that you have to invest millions, okay? If you're an influencer, chances are that, you do have some sort of business back-end business behind your brand, right? So being an influencer is not just about social media following and actually influencing the niche, but also building a brand that is standing behind your influencer status. So if you are someone who is already successful, you successfully created a brand in your home country, maybe you want to expand, maybe you want to start offering these services to the US, maybe you want to have US clients, maybe you want to do brand deals with US clients and so on. So that part would qualify under E2 visa as long as you invest. Now that investment part is very interesting because with the E2 visa, we have to invest substantial amount of capital, which is very relative. So for example, if I work with you, I would establish the number for you based on the calculation, based on the future projection, based on your current status. If you're a small influencer who's just getting started, maybe you can go with 50K investment and you should be able to apply for E2 visa. If you're a bigger investor, in other words, bigger influencer, you already have established business, for you to grow the business, expand, maybe you need to invest more. It really depends on the business model that we are going to create. Like I mentioned, it depends on your startup cost that you need in order to establish that brand. And if you just have social media following, that's a very good start. So for those who want to really monetize that following, and if you are an influencer who wants to apply for E2 investor visa, I highly recommend you actually join my training. Below this video, there's going to be a link, and actually there's going to be two trainings. One training is how you can grow your business to 5-figure months. Check it out. And the second training is going to be how you can get E2 visa and how you can do it in 2022 by actually building your brand. And so definitely check out these trainings because they will give you more idea what I'm talking about. But the bottom line is that I really believe that E2 visa is great visa for influencer. And once you have E2 visa, the next step is you can actually grow and go to the next level. And then you can apply for a green card, which is way to go, which is exactly the type of green card that I got myself. It's exactly the process I was on myself. And I was also using partially in my application, my influencer status, the fact that I'm actually very niche down channel specifically for E2 investors, and the fact that I have combined following over, I think 150,000 followers combined from all my social media channels was definitely helpful. Because if you have presence, online presence, that itself is already a value, big value. And recently with the recent changes in the EB2 national interest waiver category, now influencers have opportunity to actually get this wonderful green card, even though this green card is not the most straightforward green card, if you know what I mean, because it's very subjective, but it's absolutely doable. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to join those trainings and check out also this playlist that will help you out to understand the requirements for E2 visa, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.